So hello guys, today in this video I'm going to share a nice strategy with you guys, but let me tell you one thing. This strategy can cause you a loss also, because no strategy is 100% accurate, and you can use it on your boom. It will work on all pairs: crash 500, boom 500, boom 1000, crash 1000. Okay, but make sure you use proper risk management. I'm testing the strategy and it is working pretty well, so you can use it. And in this video I'm going to tell you about an indicator that I am personally using, and I'm making daily $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 by using that indicator. That indicator can tell you 100% when the spike is coming, and literally guys, I don't know how that indicator is that much accurate, but I am making a lot of money. You can join my Telegram channel also to check. I am keep posting the all the results of daily profit in of my real account that I am making real account profit. I am keep posting, so make sure you join my Telegram channel to know about the indicator, and you can purchase it in $200, that indicator. Okay guys, and okay guys, so if you want to join my Telegram channel, so you have to just go on Telegram and search. I will provide the link also in the video description of my Telegram channel, but if the link doesn't work, you have to just go on Telegram and search market future. Okay, one. This is my channel, 103 subscribers. This is my new channel, and I'm keep posting my daily results. See, client feedback, daily profit result. This is my account that I'm using it, and 1205 profits, 1699. This is all real account, and I'm making daily $2,000, $3,000, $1,500. Crazy profit I'm making with the help of that indicator with small lot size, and this that indicator is 100% accurate. So, and if you want to contact me, just you have to go and you can message me here. If you will join my Telegram channel, you will get my username here also. So, and if you don't want to join my channel, you can directly message me here @richest fu. This is me, Rai. Don't message any other buddy. Okay guys, so if my English is not very well, you can just compromise with me guys. Okay, so let's start the strategy that I was talking about, but the strategy is not 100% accurate, and let's go. So guys, I will be very honest with you guys that how to use this strategy, and please use proper risk management if you are using this strategy, because no strategy is 100% accurate. But I'm thankful to the god that I get that indicator, which is likely very profitable and very accurate guys. And that will cost you $200. So make sure if you can purchase this indicator, then only message me, because that indicator is very precious that I have. That's why I made it $200. Okay, so let's start. So guys, how to use this strategy? Okay, so this is strategy. You have to, first of all, you have to look on Ichimoku, and here you can see that guys. I took here. Let's go from here. So here you can see that guys, the Ichimoku crosses. Okay, here you can see that the Ichimoku crosses here, and we will take a buy position, but not yet. We first of all we will check that here it is touches the it will touch, like, as you can see that it is below here, below 30. So we can look for buys, but we will wait for the we will wait for the Ichimoku to cross. So here we are sure that it will go, and here we see that it has crossed. We just have to enter our trade here, and our take profit will be, our first take profit will be about 30, until the Ichimoku goes till here, and after that we will close our trade, and we will look again. So here it retested to this zone 30.00. See, and again we will look for the crossover. So again crossover occurs here, so we will took another buy, and our take profit will be here. So again our take profit hit it. So as you can see that how this is working. You can catch the spike also, but I will recommend to play on trend for like crash 500 for buy, boom 1000, boom 500 for sell, boom 1000 for sell, and crash 1000 for buys. Okay, but you can use it on spike also. I will not show you that how to use it spike, but you can use. Okay, so let's move to the another pair. We will go on boom 500, and let's see how to use it on boom 500. Okay, so as we can see that here it touches this level for boom 500. For boom pairs, you have to look that that this yellow line is above 70 or 100. I will show you the settings also, don't worry guys. 70 or 100. Okay, then we are sure that it can be go for sell. So we will wait for the crossover. A crossover occurs here, we took our entry, and our take profit just hit it here 70. Okay, so we'll close our trade exactly, and after that the spike occurs. Okay guys, and after that we will look for another. We are already in this. We are above 70, so we will look for another crossover. So again a crossover occurs, we took our entry and we close, because this is a danger zone, because until we go here we are very safe. We will look for long position. Let me tell you for this some long position. So as we see that it is now below than 70, it is a scalping, but make sure you use proper risk management. And see, here it's a scalping opportunity. Here it's a long position opportunity. So first take profit hit it. Now we are in between 70 to 30. So we wait for another crossover. Another crossover occurs. We took our entry here and we will hold until here. Okay guys, so as you can see that it's a big catch, about 15 to 20 pips. So make sure you use this strategy with proper risk management. And guys, I will recommend you to guys you buy that indicator, because the indicator is just crazy. I'm thankful to the god that I got that indicator and making lots of profit. You can also make lots of profit, but make sure if you don't have money you don't buy it. Because and because if you want to do something, you should buy that indicator. I will recommend you, you should buy that indicator, and you can make a lot of money guys. Seriously, I'm telling you guys, you can make a lot of money. And I'm keep sharing my real accounts profit also. You can just connect it to my Telegram channel, and we will make money together guys. We'll make money together. And if you have any question about that indicator, you can also DM me. I've showed my username to message me. Okay, so this is how the indicator is working. Okay, so if you want to use this strategy, you can use it. And now we can look the moving average above 70 to 100. So here we will look for sells. So the crossover occur here, we'll took our entry here, close here. Okay, spike occurs again, it retested to this zone, crossover occur, we will hold it until here. We'll hold it until here. When it touches, we just closes. Okay guys, it's a long catch. As you can see, this strategy is also pretty good, but I usually don't use this strategy. I'm sharing with you guys. Those who can't afford $200 can use this strategy and make little bit profit if you will use proper risk management. Okay guys, this is not confirmed that you will make pretty good profit also, because this is not the strategies are not confirmed at all 100%. Please use proper risk management. I am telling you guys again. Take your money seriously. And here again it is above 70, we look for sell, a crossover occur, but we close here, and after that it's rejected. Okay, so we will look for another crossover. See, we will wait for the rejection. So it is not rejected, it's above here, so we will not took another sell. Okay, so let's go to the another. Here it's 70 above, we look for the crossover. The crossover occurs a long catch till here. That's how the indicator working. Again it rejected over here, again a sell position we will took, but as we can see that this moving average is not rejected over here. So this is how you can be safe with this strategy. Okay, again we can see a crossover occur, here we will took our entry, here till we will hold till here. That's how it is working guys, that's how it is working. Again it's above 70, a crossover occurs, and we will hold till here. This is a scalping strategy you can use, but make sure you use proper risk management, because it's give a pretty good accuracy, not very good but pretty good. So make sure you use the proper risk management. And let me show you some of the results that I made using my indicator, and you can go to my previous videos also to know about that indicator. And okay, so I will provide that indicator video link that I have shown, and I will provide that the indicator video link that I have shown, that how the indicator is working and live catching. Okay, so I will provide the video description. I will provide the video link in the video description, this video description. You can go and check that. Okay, so here again we got. I usually don't use strategy guys. I'm very honest with you guys. Okay guys, so please like the channel and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So here it's giving a sell position, so we will look for crossover occurs here, we will took sell, take profit will be here. Okay, again the zone rejected. Now we'll look for another sell, took our sell here, and boom, profit. Okay guys, so as this is how, say here let me show you. Here it's fail. Okay, see it's rejected to this point and cross over, and it failed. It spiked, and it's bit spiked, but it's a bit spike, but after that it hit its take profit. Okay, so three wins, one losses over here, but make sure the strategy, please use proper risk management guys. And let me show you some of the proof that I made using that indicator. Here we go guys, here we go. You can join my Telegram channel to check by your own. I'm keep sharing my daily profit results in my live account that I am making, and already 50 to 52 people have 50 and 51 52 almost this type of people have purchased this the indicator in cost of $200 from last week. Okay, so I keep sharing the offers also, so make sure you join my Telegram channel and see. Okay guys, so make sure you join me. This is the only indicator what I was talking about. You will get this video description, you will get this video link in my video description, in this video description. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. Let's go guys, make some money. Let's milk the market together. Thank you.